Kody, and this is my bike check. Alright, let's start off with the grips. I have the Colt Vans grips. It's Colt bar ends. I have S&M bars, Haro Zebra stem. This is actually, it's a really cheap stem, but I mean, I like it. Mainly because of the color and it's hollow right here, but it hasn't slipped on me yet, so that's good. And then I have an Odyssey headset. It's really nice. It's super strong. It spins really nice. You can't even hear it. Yeah, pretty nice. And then I have Miracle Gabino forks. I have a Odyssey Aiken 2.125 front tire, but it blows up to like a 2.25, so it's pretty nice. And then front hub, I have Odyssey Vanduro 2. It's really nice. And then rim is just Odyssey. Coming back, I have the Miracle Blend frame with, well, it's obviously sealed, and Odyssey Twisted PCLE pedals, Black Label cranks. I hate them, but you know, whatever. Got little Sputnik seal caps right here. Black Label sprocket, purple KMC chain, just what I had at my house, so threw it on. Animal strip cush seat. It's white, but stupid guy at the shop got crap all over it, so whatever. But and then back here I have a Maxxis tire, 2.10. It's a Maxxis grifter. I mean, it gets a lot. It's really grippy, so I like it. And back up, I have Mission React released to a black sheep rim. Really loud. Pretty loud stuff. Pretty strong too. Yeah, so I guess that's it.